Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix your TikTok dates problem. That means how to fix your TikTok birth dates problem when you are trying to sign up for TikTok. If you received this kind of a message whenever you're trying to sign up for a new TikTok account, that means you might be an underage and you're trying to sign up for TikTok. There is an age limit to whoever can join TikTok. It may not sound fair to most of the young users who are trying to create an account on TikTok, but this is done for the security reasons. Whenever you're trying to create a TikTok account, make sure you type in the correct date of birth information. Remember that only users who are 13 years old and above are eligible on TikTok. So, while setting a date of birth, make sure that you meet the criteria. First, you'll need to enter the right age, and if your current age is under the required age, you must wait for several years before you can join TikTok without restrictions. So make sure to type in the correct date of birth and make sure you are 14 years and above in order to sign up for TikTok. If not, you won't be able to do so. That is the only way to fix TikTok dates problem like this. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.